Hey everyone, so we are going to create an app and web segment overlap report. Let's do that in GA4. Now, the first thing you need to do to ensure that this report works as it should is you need to enable Google Signals or you need to have user ID for cross-device analytics implemented. Now, in previous videos, I showed you guys how to turn on Google Signals. Now, the UI has changed in GA4 slightly, so let's go check out how to do that now. Go to admin, bottom left, that's still the same. Over here, head over to data collection. Just find the data collection button. It's no longer laid out how it was before. There's a bit of like an expanded view of the admin section now. Still under property settings, but you see it's kind of categorized a little bit differently. You want to look for data collection. And here we see that Google Signals is turned on. So that's great. So now we can do an overlap report of both app and web. Right, is somebody using a desktop or somebody using a mobile device? And because we're in GA4, we can see this kind of distinction. Now we'll head over to reports. Oh, actually, no, not reports. Head over to explore on the left-hand side. And we're going to choose one of these templates. So let's scroll until we hit segment overlap. Nice. Okay, great. So you can see here we have the segments that we're comparing are mobile traffic, tablet traffic, and the age demographic of 25 to 54. Let's remove some of these. Let's remove the age. Let's remove tablet traffic. I want to create an overlap report of both app and web. So right now we have app, so that's mobile traffic. Now let's go over here. Over here to segments. Now when we add things to the segments comparison area, it's grabbing segments from, of course, the segments area. So what I want to do is add another one here. I'm going to remove this one here. Tablet traffic. I think there's a certain amount that you're allowed in this area. But I'm going to go over here to segments. I'm going to go to user segments. We're going to build a new one. And under here, add new condition. So we're going to call it desktop users, I guess. Or desktop traffic. We'll keep it like mobile is. Okay, add new condition. We're going to go over here to, what is it? Platform/device. And then we're going to go to device category, add a filter. Right, contains desktop. Click apply. There we go. We see that there are 38,000 users, which is 54% of all users. Now, how does that look in conjunction with mobile traffic? Cool. So we have something that looks like this. It's almost half and half. So that's great. Now we want to add additional metrics. So how about instead of event count, let's remove that. And let's remove transactions as well. Active users is a good one. Right, so you've got values over here, right? So metrics are the things that populates the values section, just like segments populates the segment comparison section. So in the metrics area, let's add total purchases. Oh, did I spell it right? Purchasers, total purchasers. We're going to check that. Click on import. Nice. And we'll do one other one. ARPU. ARPU is average revenue per active user. Okay, the summary is for the time period selected. ARPU includes AdMob estimated earnings. Just reading you the definition. Hopefully that's helpful. Click on import. Okay, Now let's drag these over. Okay, I guess I can't drag, but what I'll do is I'll click here under values, and I'll click on total purchasers, and I'll also click on ARPU. So this is good. This is a useful report, right? So we have an overlap between mobile traffic and desktop traffic, and we can see how many people, for example, on only on their desktop computers bought something, and what is the average revenue per active user, and how does that compare to mobile? Right, we have 89 purchasers here, and it's only 18 cents. Wow, that's kind of interesting. So there are some insights here, and of course this is just a starting point. But what I'm using here is the Google Merchandise Shop, and in the comments I will provide a link to this. But hopefully that's helpful. But this is a good insight into a cross-device report. So we can see the percentage, as I said, of overlap between app and web users, and also the overlap between desktop and mobile users. Okay. Again, you can also even add other ones, but this is a good starting point. Thanks, guys.